Hi everyone and welcome back to my YouTube channel. So guys, in this video I will show you how to unban Ome TV on your iPhone. So guys, if you're using iPhone or iPad or other iOS device and your Ome TV is banned on your iPhone, I will help you how can you unban your Ome TV. So let's get started without wasting any time. First of all, you need to make sure that you have connected with strong internet connection, and after this you need to go back, scroll it down, click on general, and you need to click on transfer or reset iPhone, click on reset, and you need to reset your network settings. After this you need to go back, set your date and time on automatically, and after this you need to check for software update and you need to update your iPhone to latest iOS version, and now you need to go back. So guys, after going to back, simply you need to open your app store here, and here you need to search Ome TV, and after searching it you need to open OmeTv and you need to check for update. If your app is not updated, you need to update your app first, and after doing update you need to go back and open your OmeTv again. Your problem will be fixed. So guys, after doing all this method, if still not fix your problem, then no need to worry. You have to open your settings, scroll it down and click on general, click on iPhone storage, and guys, now you need to find here OmeTv, and after finding it you need to offload your app, and after doing offload you need to reinstall it again, and after this go back. So guys, after doing all these settings you need to scroll it down, and here you will see the option of VPN and device management. Click on it and you need to click on VPN, and guys you need to add any VPN configuration, and guys if don't have, then you need to open App Store and you need to download any free VPN, and after downloading it you can connect your VPN from here easily with one click, and after connecting your VPN, then you need to go back and open your OmeTv, and your OmeTv will be working fine and will be unbanned. So guys, this is the only way to unban your OmeTv by connecting VPN. Hope you like this video. If you like this video, please do subscribe my channel. Thank you.